I'm just showing you this cord bag that I've been making. I made quite a few of these, and it's a lovely idea. It's very, very simple, just using a bridges method, and you can make something nice and chunky like that. It's useful. I find it really useful for putting wool in and yarn, so it's something nice I can carry it around in that and put my crochet in it. So that's a nice bag. Let me know if you want to buy one. I've got one or two here I can sell. So that's the start of my video, so see you soon. Make fun, chunky crochet using the new Cordmaker. Well, that's the title of this new video. I haven't been on for a while, but you can see some of the things that I've been making with the Cordmaker. There's some bags hanging there. This is the start of a face that I'm making. I'm just putting this board together, but that's a face, 2 eyes of some chunky crochet that I've started to do. Some flowers there, and there we've got some more freeform crochet. I've just pinned them on there. There's a little braid headband there at the side, and I've just pinned them on there ready to start, and that's going to be my new board as you can see it there. So, hello, welcome to this new video. I haven't been on doing these videos for quite a while, and I thought I'd just come and tell you that I'm trying to promote the Cordmaker again. Phil's just come in. He's just brought me these. Look, these are 2 ends to the latch hooks that I use, and I put 2 of them together, put some polymer clay on the end of them, and then I can make a Cordmaker like that. And that's how it's done. You might be able to do it yourself, and I'd be pleased if you would. Then you might be able to get back to me, and we'll show you how you can make some things with this. I've also been doing this. Look, this is a weaving. I suppose, I don't know whether I just want to have a go at doing this, but it's a good way to use up some of the cord that you make. And I find that when I give this idea to children to do, they just can't stop making cord. So that's a really easy way to use it up and use it for weaving. Look, there's my Cordmaker there, and that's a little package together. These are so easy to make as well. It's just a piece of card, and just put little notches on the end. I'll show you on the back. Just put some little notches there, cut them out, and then you can put the warp of your weave on there like that. Okay, so that's that, and that's what I wanted to come on to tell you about today, was how we can get going again with cord crochet. So I think I'll leave it there. It's just a very, very short video, and I can direct people to here. I shall be using the QR codes as well. QR codes, they're really good because all you have to do is put your camera in front of them, and then you can go onto my video channel and see what I'm up to. So that's my latest venture, making Cordmakers. If you want to buy one for me, just get in touch. I'm selling them to anybody who wants to order one. Do comment and press subscribe. That's quite a useful thing to do, of course, if you're doing a YouTube channel. And maybe I'll see you in the next one. Bye for now.